Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar, and in this video we will create this dental website in Figma. I have decided to create this website in parts. So in the first part I will create only the hero section where we discuss how to create the nav bar, how to set the image and the logo and this button and the hero text. I will create the playlist and give you the playlist link in the description. So let's start. For this, select the frame icon and click on the desktop option where the dimensions are 1440 is to 1024. Now we will add grid layout. So for this we will click on this plus icon which is adjoining to grid layout and click on this grid icon to change the grid into column, and now change it to column from the drop down box. And now we will divide this frame into 12 columns. Now we add margin to the frame, and now we add the hero image. So for this we have to go to pexels.com and search for the suitable hero image from the website. I have already downloaded the image, so let me copy it to our project and let me draw a rectangle for the hero section. And now I will mask the image on that rectangle. So to mask the image, we need to put the image above the rectangle layer. Then select the two layers from the layer panel and then click on mask icon at the top. After this, double click on the image and you will able to drag the image as per your requirement. Now select the image and mask layer from the left hand panel and group them together. Now we add dark overlay on the image because we need to write text on the image. So for this, create a rectangle on the image. Fill the rectangle with the black color and then reduce the opacity. Now we create navigation bar. By pressing Alt, we can copy the text. Now select all of these text and click on this down arrow and select horizontal spacing. Now increase the space between the elements. Now let me move the navigation bar and let me create a call button. For this we need to create a rectangle. Let me write text in it. Make the button big as per the text. And select the rectangle and the text and select the horizontal align from the top right corner. Now let me change the color of the rectangle to white and round the edges of the rectangle. Now select all the elements of the nav bar and align them with the grid column. Now let me add a logo where the logo size is extra bold 40 pixels. Move the logo to the left of the column. Align it with nav bar. Once again select all the elements of the nav bar and align them. Now let me add the title of the hero section. The font is Montserrat bold and text size is 64 pixels. Let me reduce the text area of the title. Now let me add a description. The font family is Lato and the text size is 23 pixel. Now adjust the width of the description and move it on the left. Now let me copy the call button to the bottom by pressing Alt and drag it down from the nav bar, and then edit the text of the button. Make the button big as per the text. Now the hero section is complete. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, press the like button and hit the subscribe button. Love you all. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.